Hello traders, this is Mike Billion. Today is March 20, 2017, and let's talk about the market. Let's start with First Solar. As you can see here, it break down the major Fibonacci 3078. The stock went down almost 7% today, and I sold my puts right here at the bottom at almost 65% profits. I got it right when it was moving sideways below the 5 simple moving average. We have 2 days when it break out the 5 and the DMA 21, but not the 20, and that was enough for me to hold my position, and today we catch out 65% profits. The reason I sold it is because 3078 is a decade number Fibonacci, so it's a very strong support, and it happens that in November and at the beginning of the year and the end of the year, it held that position very well and bounced almost 5 points. So I don't want to hold the position right here. If it confirms tomorrow below today's low, which is 29.71, then I can re-enter. The other thing that calls my attention is the spike in volume, which usually means a reversal is coming. Not all the time, but it's high probability. So I prefer to cash out my profits, and the other reason is the market is bullish and you're trading bearish position, you have to take profits when the market give you those profits. So now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about AMD. This is a stock that is moving very nicely. I was greedy because I was waiting for 1324. I missed my entry right here. I sold my calls last time right at this candle. That was on March 13. We got a nice profits, and I was waiting for the stock to go to this trend line, but it didn't. It bounced and it had a beautiful day, almost 7% up. So what are you doing here? If you're alone right here, you have to wait to see if it confirm this breakout Fibonacci 1428. If you finish below 1428 and you have calls or you're using auctions, you have to be careful because it might go down and test the 1340 or 1330. And if you have the stock, just hold it because it's bullish. Now let's talk about the other one that I'm watching is Tesla very closely. My stop loss is 272, but I'm gonna move it to 266. If you finish the day or you see that it's gonna finish the day about 266, this thing can rally easily to 284. Right now it's neutral, and my indicators volume is not there, but it can Tesla moves without volume. And the thing is, if it close below 260, then it's gonna go down. For now, I'm holding my puts. I think because this trend right here is very strong, and it fell at 284. This is just a bounce, a relief bounce, but you have to respect this resistance right here. 3 days below that resistance and trying to stay there. And if you finish below 260, sure, it's gonna go and test the 245 or probably a new low short-term 234. Overall, don't get me wrong, because some people think that, oh, you're saying that Tesla is bearish. No, I'm an auction trader. I'm a short-term trader, but not day trade. I'm thinking that it's gonna go to 245, but because I'm saying that, I'm not saying that Tesla is bearish. It's bearish short-term for my trade because I trade auctions. Long-term trade, if you see Tesla is bullish. It's moving sideways between 284 and 185. It hasn't been able to break out this major Fibonacci resistance 284, but you have to keep this number in your mind. If you break out the 284, this thing can go easily to $500. Don't get me wrong, this is bullish, but I'm a short-term trader, and I'm thinking that it's gonna go to 245, or there is high probability that it goes to 245 first, then it goes to retest to 284. Let's see. I have a tight stop. 266 is my stop. Now let me give you two fresh ideas. Gel, very easy. Trading about the $33 Fibonacci for a month. If you break down this level, it's gonna go down really fast. So you have to keep this one in your watch list. If you see that this stock is gonna finish the day below 33, go short. Fibonacci 33. DMI is bearish and strong. Now let me give you another one. Baidu, beautiful triangle wedge, is setting up for a nice breakout or a breakdown. high probability that it's a breakout. And I think it's gonna go probably to 220. So let's see what happens, but you have to wait for the breakout. Traders, I have a nice promotion on my website for only 10 days from today. You can join McBillion lifetime, my videos, my trading alerts, and you get my mentoring lifetime. You can trade with me lifetime, only one-time payment. Check it out. This is everything for today. Trade on.